friends, today I'm going to share two amazing things shea butter did for me. This is shea butter here. I've started using this one. So this shea butter here is from a seed in the eastern part of Nigeria. I know it's called Ori, O-R-I. Then some people call it Okuma too. In English, it is called shea butter. This shea butter did two amazing things for me. I had cracked hands. I picked this shea butter because I always have it for winter. I used it on my hands, morning, afternoon, night. Look at what I did. It's always in solid form. I took a little bit like this. Then I massaged it all over my hands, and it can be moisturizing. So I did it for 10 days and then the whole thing healed. But the second one it did is, after taking my shower, I have itchy skin. So I didn't know what to do. I decided to use this shea butter since I have it, and I use it during winter because winter dries the skin. I did it for 1 week. I didn't experience any itchy skin again. Friends, shea butter is really moisturizing and is healing. Thank you. Bye.